Connor, are you awake?
Mm. Mm.
Connor, you awake? You need to get up for school. Come on, get up. Connor, get up.
All right, I'm up. I'm up. Jesus.
Here's your lunch. You're gonna miss the bus. Connor, stop! I need to take a picture. Connor, stop. I need to take a picture of your first day of school again. Come on, smile. All right, Connor. Time to wait for the bus. Let's go. Connor, you missed the bus again. Come on.